It's not the 50-50 mix, so this is a straight ethylene glycol.
Downwind of your feet. Yeah.
Sorry, HDH is in the far way. The brake fluid is actually HD. So there it goes.
Which one is that one?
Far one is starting to smoke. There you go. You get a flame out of it.
Hold on. Here, kids.
It is. They're awful.
Did you breathe that smoke? This stuff looks like all, it smells like autos.
Remember we talked about the white
That's
smoke?
just reaction to.
So you got the HDH and you're getting the white smoke out. The last one here is a mixture of potassium chlorate and icing sugar. So you got a fuel source and you got an oxidizer. But it needs a catalyst to make it act. So a little bit of sulfuric acid. Right? You get a longer stick. Just a touch.
Little E.D.
Uh-huh. Okay, move back. Don't worry, just watch it. Doesn't do something behind it. All right. Demonstration, right in front of you, there are two cardboard box tops. On the far left, the orange, is a 10-foot length of time fuse. Standard demolition type time fuse. It's got a pretty, I think
I know, we had the lighter out first.
yeah, I think it's in the box.
Which one are we doing first?
Do the orange.
I
So the orange time fuse, it's made to a standard. Typically we use it for safe separations. You want X number of feet, you want to burn it to see how fast it burns and things like that. It can be used underwater. The flame actually travels through the inside of that. I think it's oil or someplace like that. The other one is close together. Some of them are crossed and stuff like that. That will burn at a continuous loop. Even though it's crossed, it will not catch on fire and catch itself. The comparison is a predictability and what you can use. So when he lights the green stuff on fire there, as you watch as it burns, when it crosses or gets close to another piece of green, it'll catch it on fire. It'll start propagating in a couple different directions. And you can see it's already gone the circle. It's gone both clockwise and counterclockwise. I don't know if you find, there you go. Now it's going to go all over. The purpose for that is if someone... There you go. There you go. You can smell it has kind of a cotton candy smell to it from the powdered sugar in it. 2, 1. Three, two, one. And the last thing is a watermelon. So this non-L is used in the blasting industry. The shock wave travels down the center of that at 6,300 feet per second. So it's traveling over a mile in less than a second. Some folks used to use it during 4th of July for demonstrations. You get the lights. If it's dark, you can see the inside of the glow coming down the wire and stuff like that. 2, 1. We used to use a chicken, but it is 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So when we have range problems, one. That's good. 2, 1. 1.
Both went off. Yeah. 2 for 1.
So, explosives, 2, 1. Propeller smoke, 2, 1. One. White smoke, black smoke should be different in the material. Probably got some A in it. 2, 1. Yes. 2, 1.
You see the white smoke?
White, 2, 1. One. So the 50 stands for the amount of it is a plastic jug that has about a half a gallon of gasoline in it. On the bottom of it is a 2x2 square of nope. Oh, we did deck cord? Okay, very good. So we just used deck cord. So the purpose of it is to, the explosion will crack the bottle, it'll send the gas in the air, and then the flame should ignite, and there should be 3 columns of fire that come from it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lots of black smoke, fossil fuel, right? All right. On the bottom, and there is fiber tape, and it's suspending probably a 6x6 square of C2 explosive sheet, and in the top tire there's some gasoline. So what we should see, can you smell that from the R fan, the kind of the old folks smell? You know, like what do you call it, mothballs in the faucet type stuff? That's from the fuel. So what should happen is you should get an explosion that propels that tire in the air and should catch on fire. 3, 2, 1. Matters not to me. We'll spend as much time as you want, and then if you have any questions afterwards, tag us up and we'll. Good.